So, just doing a second part quite fast because I found an opportunity. One of the crude oil alerts just ringed was the monthly. Uh, this one actually was this monthly which is triggered, so it's bullish. So just looking to go here, hit this high. I did the first attempt, got stopped out, and I decided to put my stop below the quarterly actually, just in case that happens again. Uh, yeah, I mean, we're not gonna make a profitable day. Just see how it goes. Anything we can save, it's more than welcome. I might actually take some profits in here. It's not a lot. It's around $30. Yeah, no, we see like buyers are having like difficult time to cross the weekly DVA high. It is very close as well to 1.5 monthly. So we'll see how that goes. Uh, doesn't go much as I wanted to be honest. So I'm just gonna close the trade. Yeah, I don't see they can push any further. I see some absorption from the sellers, it's a good thing. So I'm just gonna hold on it now. Buyers are trying to push. I think the market opens like in no market sorry market in crude oil is already open. It opens at 9 o'clock. So we'll see how it goes. Uh, First, buyers are pushing. Yeah, lots of volume coming now. So we'll see how that goes. So we see here volumes keep coming. It's getting absorbed though. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Let's if we hit the first target, which is here, then I can happily close my trade. I really doubt, to be honest, like it's gonna go up that high. But sellers are coming in, getting absorbed. We can see that here. Buyers looking a bit strong. We're very close to our target. Just a few ticks away. Buyers looks alright. Just keep absorbing everything. You see undecisive candles here. I'm just ready to flatten in case we do like a sudden pullback or anything. To keep our trade patiently to our first target. The sellers are trying to press, but they can't, obviously, which is a good thing. Sellers absorption means that we can pop higher. We got our first target, so we can raise our stop to break even now. And then wait to see how the weekly DVA high is gonna react, which is also like at the point of control of the CVA. It seems going right. Seems going right. Volume is coming steadily here. Quite surprised by this, alright. Looking good. Bar is looking good so far. Just put a lot of pressure from the sellers. Which is we're expecting that, to be honest. Now we see if they're able to break above this level, then we might get some additional income. Actually, I'm gonna raise that is well below the previous candle and keep the one. So what I did now is just two of my contracts. I raised them below the previous candle, because if it falls below the previous candle, there is a high chance it's gonna go all the way down, or So that's my conservative, and I left one contract here at the break even in case this breaks and then it reverses before it hits the break even. It goes up, then I can add up. I just hold my position for the last contract as a runner. We see now the sellers are pricing a little bit. We still, don't forget, we still haven't left the zone, so it's very normal. Actually, I'm gonna raise. Don't forget, we are also like at the extremes of the VWAP, so that plays a role on its own as well. I think I'm gonna raise. I'm gonna be a bit more conservative because also I need to go very strong, and I can't leave the open trade. The buyers are holding, so just raise all my stops below the level. The level is going good. Level is going good. Buyers are very, very, very strong now. Buyers are very strong. Sellers are not away. Don't get me wrong. They just keep pushing, but they're not. They can't do much. It's gonna get more difficult as we go here. You see that with volume cluster. So volume cluster. So I'm just waiting to hit this cluster, these tops here. See how it goes. My end goal would be ideal a little higher the CPA, but I don't keep my hopes up because, as I said, okay, yes, the tendency is always when you go into like a CVA to aim for the other side, but it's like a big CVA. Also, we're at the very extremes. Yeah. So also actually I'm gonna raise my two of my contracts below the previous contract again. just in case, get some more profits. So I lock some profits in case something goes wrong, and I'll keep this one just below the previous level. So I can, in the worst case scenario, I can take some profits here and leave my one contract running higher. It's looking good so far. I've had some pressure here. Yeah, we're just saying that we're also like very extended. You see that rally did prices are extended to the upper extreme. So basically, we have a breakout now. So we expect to find that strong resistance. I'm just hoping that it would be enough to hit my targets. I'll place this target here. If we hit this target, then only I can leave this one to the upper extremes here and just leave it running. To be honest, that's basically. So it's $50. It's not like quite substantial, to be honest. So I may actually like close a trade here. Yeah, I may as well close a trade here and take full profits. Yeah, since prior I'm closing my trade, since sellers are getting control again. We are at the extremes. I'm trying to close the uh, just below my target. We're at the extremes here. You see, we're above the +2 intraday. Yeah, I couldn't hope more for more. We took a nice trade, to be honest. Yeah, yeah, it was alright. It was a decent trade from the breakout point here at the extremes in balance arc. After the monthly previous DVV up as we planned towards all the way to the extremes, just as the epoch and the weekly DVA high. We tried to hold longer, hoping that it would go up to here to the previous highs, or even to the other side of the CVA. That didn't happen now, it may happen later, but who knows. I can't leave if I'm going to work, I don't want to leave any trades running. So I'm happy just to close the trades and go home. So basically, let's see how the day is going today. We may have ended the day with minor losses. So let's see. So yeah, so we ended the day. We ended up the day with 67 losses, which is not bad. And don't forget that these losses came from my side lack of preparation before I take a trade, which I'll make sure that's I write uh, I write it in my journal on Saturday when there's usually like on Saturday and Sundays when there is no when there's no trading. I like to keep my journal because I have like peace of mind that there's nothing going on there, so I can just relax and just write in my journal. So I keep a very detailed journal, and I'll make sure that I'm gonna write all the stuff. What happened today? So yeah, that's the end of the day today. It's not going to be a part three, that's for sure. So have a nice day, all of you, and I'll see you tomorrow.